While thousands of people are stuck applying blindly to Canada, the UK, and Germany, there is one country quietly issuing work permits through employer sponsorship, and many migrants don't even know the visa name. Today, we are talking about the Belgium Single Permit Work Visa, the real sectors hiring foreigners, the agencies people actually use to get in, the companies connected to those sectors, and the exact steps from job search to arrival. This is not theory. This is the route many migrants are using to enter Belgium legally right now. But before we go into visas, let me tell you what ruins most relocation dreams. It's not English, it's not paperwork, it's money. So now listen carefully. One of the biggest mistakes migrants make is waiting to earn until they relocate. They think, I'll start making money when I arrive in Europe, but relocation requires money first. Visa processing, embassy fees, flights, housing deposits. So what if you could start earning internationally now before relocation? That's where Dreamport comes in. Dreamport lets you become a freelance travel agent or travel manager, no travel experience required. And here is how it works. You sign up, you get free training, you get certified, receive real client requests, earn commission from bookings. Some people earn hundreds or even thousands monthly, even from their first client. That means while preparing your Belgium move, you're already building relocation funds. Dreamport link is in the description box and in the pinned comment section. So stay with me because later I'll explain how financial stability actually strengthens your visa chances. And always remember, all the links are in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're already enjoying this video. Share with someone so that they can also benefit from the information we're about to share. Let's go straight to the visa itself. The real visa, Belgium Single Permit. Belgium's main work visa for non-EU citizens is called the Single Permit. This is not a tourist visa. This is not a seasonal permit. This is a combined residence plus work authorization issued through an employer. Here's what makes it powerful. Instead of applying separately for residence and then work permission, Belgium combines both into one application. So the employer applies, the government approves, you get legal work plus residence. This visa is mostly used by warehouse workers, logistics staff, construction workers, healthcare assistants, technicians, IT specialists. So this is not only for university graduates. It's one of the most realistic legal work routes into Europe today. 2026 is the year we relocate legally. Let's have a quick pause. If you're serious about relocation and want CV templates, cover letter templates, direct visa job links, then click on the join below this video and join the Adenisa YouTube membership using that join button. This is for people who are ready to move, not just to watch relocation content for fun. Now let's continue. Belgium does not sponsor randomly. Sponsorship happens mostly in shortage sectors. Let's break them down. So Belgium is one of Europe's biggest distribution centers. Goods move through Antwerp ports, Brussels cargo hubs, and national warehouses. Because of this, the logistics sector constantly faces shortages. Jobs include order picker, warehouse assistant, forklift support, packaging staff, cleaning and maintenance, delivery support roles. Companies connected to this ecosystem include DHL, Cartoon Nazi, Amazon. Again, links will be in the description box. Many migrants don't apply to these companies directly. They enter through agencies supplying workers to these companies. And let me tell you, these companies are always needing workers. All these companies around the world, they are always needing workers, but they apply through agencies. So Belgium has an aging population in terms of, especially about the healthcare sector. That means care homes and hospitals are recruiting internationally. Facilities connected to this sector include UZ Leuven. Roles often sponsored include care assistant, nurses, support staff, elderly care workers. Healthcare gives one of the strongest long-term residency paths when it comes to Belgium. Belgium struggles to fill skilled labor roles. We are now talking about the construction and technical trade sector. Sponsored jobs include electricians, plumbers, mechanics, technicians, and welders. These roles often qualify for faster permit approval. Now, the real hiring agencies route. Now, let's talk about the step most migrants don't understand. Most foreigners do not get hired directly by companies. They enter through recruitment or staffing agencies supplying workers to those companies. These agencies recruit both locally and internationally. Examples of major Belgian staffing networks include Randstad, Adecco, Manpower Group. These companies don't always advertise visa sponsorship openly, but they recruit for companies willing to sponsor when shortages exist. This is why knowing how to search for these jobs matters more than randomly sending CVs. So it is very important to get your membership so that your CV and cover letter template can be tailored for that specific country. Then you also stand a higher chance. And if you're ready to travel to Belgium in 2026, type in the comment Belgium ready 2026 and let's see those who are serious. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process on how to go about everything. So here's the real flow migrants follow. You have to prepare EU style CV. You apply through agencies or shortage sector employers. You attend online interviews. The employer submits single permit application. Then regional authority reviews labor need. Immigration approves residence. You apply for visa at the embassy. Then travel to Belgium and start work. And note, they are actually experiencing shortages now, so they actually need workers. Let's pause here and here. Which country are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section. You might just be from my country. Typical processing times are 2 to 5 months depending on region, so I advise you start putting everything together now. After several years of legal work, many migrants qualify for long-term residency. This is also one of those countries that when you serve them, they serve you. It's a two-way thing. Now let's talk money, real numbers. So entry logistic roles, you earn 1,900 to 2,300 euro monthly. For skilled jobs, you earn 2,500 to 4,000 euro plus monthly. And Belgium taxes are high. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. But the benefits here include public health care, worker protection, paid leave, path to permanent residency, and this is why migrants build stable lives there. And once you get all of this, you can also find a way to move with your family. So remember what we said earlier, embassies prefer applicants who show financial readiness. Savings reduce risks. So that is where Dreamport income can help you. Pay visa fees, build relocation savings, avoid borrowing money, and show independence. Once you can show a strong financial backing, you stand a higher chance of getting that visa approved. So instead of waiting for Europe to fix your life, you prepare like someone already moving. Now, if you want personalized guidance, you want like a video call, you have direct questions, then you can book a one-on-one consultation here on my website. You just make your payment for the session time you want, and then you go ahead to book a section. You have to answer 3 questions if it's a 30-minute session so that we can make the video call as efficient as possible and get those questions answered. If it's a 60-minute session, you have to answer 6 questions that will address during the video call. People are booking, people are seeing value, And thank you all for booking the one-on-one consultations. But if you're someone who just wants to do things, you just want the CV, cover letter template, and direct job links, you don't want a video call, then go ahead and join the membership today and get your CV and cover letter. So all links will be in the description box, from Dreamport membership to consultation. Everything will be in the description. Now I want you to do 3 things for me. Comment your country if you did not already comment. Tell me which sector you want, logistic, healthcare, or trades. Type Belgium move if you want part 2, where I show you the exact job search steps. Your comments push this video to more people who truly need it, and please share with 1 or 2 friends who can benefit from this. And let's grow together. So Europe doesn't open through luck, it opens through strategy. Belgium Single Permit is one of those doors. If you prepare early, earn smart, and apply wisely, you won't just move abroad, you move ready. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, and stay blessed and happy, guys. Bye, and check out all of the amazing videos on my channel.